this is Arham here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Realme X2. Let's have a look at the box right now. At the back it mentions the color, which is pearl green, and the variant, which is 6GB and 128GB. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's peel off the plastic cover. The front says 64 megapixel performance expert and dare to leap and all that. Let's remove the lid. This greets us well by saying, hey, welcome to Realme family. Let's see what do we get here. I'm assuming it'll be some paperwork and the transparent case. Well, yeah, it's a transparent case and some paperwork. The case seems of a very good quality. Here's the phone itself. Let's keep it to the side for now. We'll have a look at it later on. Let's see what else do we have in this box. This is the USB Type-C cable. This is the SIM ejector tool. And here we have the VOOC 4.0 flash charger. There's no mention of VOOC though. Well, this is rated at 5 volts and 6 amperes, which is 30 watts. Now let's remove the wrap of the phone. Oh wow, I never thought the green color would look good on any phone, but this here looks stunning with the gradient back that shows some crazy patterns when light falls on it. But it is glossy and will be a fingerprint magnet for sure. Now let me give you a physical overview. On the bottom we have a speaker grill, charging port, primary microphone and the headphone jack. On the left side we have the volume up and down buttons and the SIM slot, which is dual SIM obviously. On the right side we have the power button with golden accents to it. On the top we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And the back we have a quad camera setup. The back does look amazing, trust me. Now let's have a look at the phone and how it looks with the transparent case provided in the box. Well, the case does make it bulky, but it looks pretty good and should protect the phone fine. Now let's have a look at the biometrics of the phone. The fingerprint scanner, which is under display, is pretty fast and accurate. And rely on it more than the facial recognition that we'll have a look at. The facial recognition seems fast too, but I wouldn't rely much on it. Also, it's not secure, but is really convenient and decent speed. Thank you guys for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and do subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos.